Hello, I'm Jennifer Davenport, and in today's video, it's all about travel essentials. I have curated 15 different travel essentials with links included in the description of this video. Okay, this is going to be a little bit different of a video that I've ever done. But the reason I wanted to do it is I was getting ready to travel somewhere and I'm going to look for my Ziploc bags and I realized, okay, I really need to up my travel game. So I did a lot of research and I have come up with 15 travel essentials to make traveling so much easier and to get you organized. So let's take a look. Alright, travel essential number 1 is a pill organizer. My kids and husband make a lot of fun of me because I stick my pills in a Ziploc bag. So number 1 thing I got was this pill organizer. It's a hard case, and when you open it up, it has several little compartments. It also has little stickers inside that you can either number your pills or you can do it by the day of the week. So very important, keeps it organized and the pills don't get crushed. Travel essential number 2. This is so cool. Okay, first of all, when I pack my perfume, which is a huge bottle because I don't want to be without my perfume ever, I found these little perfume containers, and all you have to do is pop the top off of your perfume, and at the bottom of these little containers you just pump it in and it fills it with your perfume, and it's a hard case again so it won't get crushed. Brilliant idea. So ladies, as you know, perfume is expensive, and so I do always worry about it getting crushed in my suitcase. But these little containers are $5.99 and it's an easy investment to make sure your perfume is safe. Okay, embarrassingly again, I also put my jewelry in a Ziploc bag. I don't wear a ton of jewelry, but when I do that, and then when I arrive, everything's all tangled up. So I found a really cute small, you can get bigger ones, but for me this works. A small little jewelry box. You can put your rings here, little earrings there, and what's really neat is the top holds your necklaces. It goes right in there and then pops into this little pocket and they don't get tangled. So I've upped my game. So when I travel, I usually download movies onto my phone. But as you know, when you're on the plane and you're looking down at the movie forever, after about 2 hours, you've got a huge neck ache. So I found these really cool phone holders, and they came in a pack of 2, so I got one for Scott. But they're really cool because they can do several different things. They can hook onto the tray on an airplane. They can hook onto, if you're in your kitchen, so you're not even traveling, but you want to watch something, it hooks onto a cabinet. There are several different ways you can use this besides just traveling. It can also hook onto your luggage if you're waiting for your plane, but I think the coolest thing about this is it's so compact and doesn't take up a lot of room. So when I start out packing my suitcase, totally neat, halfway through vacation, getting messy, and by the time I'm ready to go home, I'm just throwing it in there. So what I found was packing cubes, and they're compression packing cubes too, so it saves like 60% of room in your suitcase, and they're different sizes, so that's perfect for shirts and pants and your apartment essentials and maybe some other smaller items that you want to put in your suitcase. But it really helps you compartmentalize your suitcase and keep it neat, and it saves on room. So if you're someone, when you get to your destination and you like to unpack your clothes and put them in the drawers provided in the room, this is a perfect way to just pick up the cube, unzip it, and set it in the drawer. Travel essential number 6 is going to be a compact makeup bag. Okay, I'm embarrassed to say this too, but I will take a bag this size, and this size, throw it all in the suitcase, and I found one that will hold everything. And besides that, my favorite thing about this one is that it has a hook, so when you get there you can just hang it on the back of the bathroom door, get everything you need, and you can fold it back up and zip it and either store it under the sink or just leave it hanging on the back door. But this is super cool. And it doesn't have to be all makeup. I don't have a lot of makeup, but I do have a lot of toiletries, from lotions to the razor to everything else I need, so it can hold everything. When the plane gets ready to take off, I am pulling my EarPods or my earphones out of my bag and usually they're in a knot and they're a mess. So I found this. This is an organizer for either a USB cord, your EarPods, your earphones, but it keeps it all very organized in another hard case. So I'm just gonna get so organized. The next travel essential is small travel bottles. Now, I've gotten mine before. I have gotten these organized from Walmart and all, but what I like about these so much better is they come with several different sizes, but this one is where you can squeeze it. I've gotten where I have put my shampoo and conditioner in bottles and I'm just slapping them to try to get it out. Well, this one is a squeeze bottle. Also, this entire kit comes with labels, so you can label everything. So you have the squeeze bottles, then you have the 2 spray bottles, and then you have the 2 containers that you can unscrew the lid. And another great thing in this kit is you have a little funnel in case you need to add more of a liquid to one of the bottles, and they also come with these 2 little plastic scrapers to help you get whatever item you have in the screw top bottles out much easier. Now you could keep your shampoo, soap, and conditioner in this bag because it's a mesh bag that you can take in the shower, and then you could put the other little bottles in the makeup bag that you're going to have hanging on the back of the bathroom door. The next travel essential is a shoe bag. Drop your shoes in, pull it tight. I love this. I love the idea, especially if you're going to the beach or maybe you're hiking. You need these. You need to keep whatever your shoes, maybe they got a little dirty. This will keep them away from your clothes and keep them clean. And not to mention, it'll keep sand and debris from getting in the bottom of your suitcase. And another thing, the set comes with 12 bags, so you just need one set and it'll cover your entire family. This next item is probably going to be one of the most important items, and that is, it is a luggage scale. Why is this on my list? Well, I'll tell you. What happened was Scott and I were heading out of town, and both of us had luggage. We get up to the front and check them, and my luggage was overweight and his was underweight. There was a ton of people behind us. The lady said, open your suitcases and start adding stuff to each other's and we'll get the weight right. Here I am opening my suitcase in front of everybody behind me who's not happy that we're taking up all of this time, and I'm pulling stuff out. We shove it back in and weigh it. I was mortified. So the next time we travel, my husband says, we're not having that happen again. So he pulls out the scale, he makes me get on the scale, he weighs me, then he gets my packed suitcase and makes me hold it onto the scale, telling me to hold still. Okay, this is going to be a marriage saver and to keep me from being embarrassed in public ever again. This works super easy. This tells you what the weight is, this hooks onto your luggage, you just hold your luggage and it tells you how much it weighs. And you can see if you're over or under. This next essential is a migraine stick. So if you're flying, you're on a boat, or you have just been with family too long and they're giving you a headache, this has spearmint and peppermint and lavender. It's an essential oil, and you just rub it on your temples and it'll make you feel a lot better. Speaking of essential oils, I have really started getting into them. I really like them, and I've noticed how they make me feel calm. So I found one that's a travel size. So you open it up, and inside is a USB cord to charge it, and then you just put your water in there and a little bit of essential oil, and you can take it with you anywhere. I used to travel with scented candles. I know that's a hazard, so we're not going to tell anybody about that. I don't do that anymore, but this is a way for me to incorporate a smell that I like into the room I'm staying. For my next travel essential, I used to carry one big bag with one strap, and I'm finding now it gets so heavy and my shoulders hurt. A backpack is so much better for me because if I'm carrying a backpack, it's even distributing on the weight and does so much better for me. So I chose this really attractive backpack, but not only is it super pretty, I have a lot of things to share with you on why I chose this. So first of all, on the side of the backpack, there is a place where you can charge your phone. But how do you do that? You're going to have to purchase, these are called power banks. I got them in a set of 2, so my husband can have one. You charge this at home with a USB port. It slides in your backpack. There's a cable inside this backpack it connects to your power bank. And then when your phone needs charging, you just hook it up on your backpack. No more trying to find an outlet in an airport or anything. You've got everything you need in this backpack. Another thing I love about it, of course, is how much I can get in it. I've got a section where I can put my laptop. There's several different dividers for a water bottle, for a wallet, makeup, everything you need. And the third thing I love so much about it is on the back is a strap. And what's this for is when you're carrying your suitcase and you're holding up the handle, you slide your backpack onto that handle and you don't have to carry your backpack. But the other thing about this backpack is it's not going to crumple and get messy on the top. There's a hard bar going all the way around this that helps keep everything neat and will help it sit up straight when you're not using it. Number 15, and this is my most important one. I get so frustrated when we go to a hotel and the mirror is far away, it's not well lit, and this girl can't see to put her makeup on because I have to have my glasses on to see, and I've just got to do my makeup. I may as well be doing it blind. I never know how I look. So I found a travel mirror that, again, you charge it with a USB port, and okay, regular mirror on one side, 10x on the other. Now I can get my makeup right. Once you've charged the mirror with the USB cord, it's also a lighted mirror, so you can get your makeup perfect every time. I can't wait to start packing for a trip because I'm going to be traveling in style, a very organized style. These things are going to be so helpful if you're a traveler. I think you're going to love them. I put the links in the description of this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have more videos coming out shortly. Everybody, have a wonderful day.